Dear friends, we've provided a PDF file containing important grammar structures and vocabulary phrases for today's lesson.
Right. Don't forget to check it out. It will help you a lot.
Rejection.
Hey, sweetie. How did the interview go?
Not great, Mom. They just emailed me. I didn't get the job.
Oh, no. I'm so sorry to hear that, honey.
I really thought I had a shot this time.
Did they give you a reason?
Yeah, they said I wasn't the right fit for the position.
That must feel disappointing.
It does. I keep getting close, but never quite there.
It's okay to feel upset. You worked hard and wanted this.
Everything just makes me wonder if I'm good enough.
Hey, don't talk like that. You are more than enough. Maybe the right door hasn't opened yet.
I hope so.
In the meantime, how about a break? We could order your favorite noodles.
That actually sounds amazing.
I thought so. You don't have to figure everything out today.
Thanks, Mom. I really needed this.
Always here for you, sweet girl. We'll try again tomorrow. Buying a gift.
Julia's birthday's next week. I'm thinking of buying a gift, but still don't know what to get her.
Didn't she mention wanting something for her home office? Do you think I should buy her a new chair?
But she already bought a new one.
What about a cool desk lamp or a plant?
A plant sounds nice. She loves those tiny succulents. Remember how she named the plant Kevin?
Kevin the cactus. I miss that spiky guy.
Okay, so maybe a plant. But it feels too small.
Then build a mini gift box. Plant, candle, and maybe the notebook with the moon phases she liked.
That's genius. And I can write her a note too. Something short but sweet.
That's perfect. You always write the best cards.
Oh, stop.
No, really. I cried at your last birthday card.
That's just because you drank.
Whatever. The card was still good.
All right, we're doing this gift box thing. Let's hit the shop after lunch.
That sounds like a plan.
Thanks for the help. I always stress out about gifts.
It's the thought that counts, not the price.
True, and I want her to feel special.
She will. You're one of her closest friends.
I hope so.
Trust me, she'll love whatever you pick. Number 2, small talk.
Hey Maya, didn't expect to see you this early.
I know, right? I actually managed to wake up on time for once.
That's impressive. I hit snooze like 3 times this morning.
Honestly, same. But my cat jumped on my face, so I had no choice.
Nature's alarm clock. You gotta love it.
Not when it has claws.
That's fair. So, how's your week been so far?
Busy, but not terrible. I finally wrapped up that client report.
Oh, the one that kept getting delayed?
Yep, it's out of my life now. Freedom tastes good.
Congrats. I'm still stuck in spreadsheet hell.
Yikes. Sending thoughts and prayers. At least the weather's nice today.
Yeah, but I was sweating 5 minutes into my walk.
I saw a guy carrying a portable fan, like a full-on desk fan.
That's peak summer survival mode in this city. Anyway, doing anything after work?
Just planning to go home and not think for a few hours.
Sounds like a solid plan.
And you?
Probably the same. Maybe order something unhealthy.
Nice. Enjoy the guilt.
Always do.
Number 3. Run errands.
Hey, Ava, you heading out again? You've been ignoring your big brother lately.
Come on! I have something to do.
Can you share?
I've got a few errands to run around Goria's block.
Goria? That name sounds familiar.
She's the president of the art club at school, the one with the tiny tailor shop on the corner.
Wait, that cold-looking girl with the long hair.
That's the one.
No wonder you've been running around that street all week. But what for?
I'm trying to get her to notice me.
Why?
I want to join her club, but she's kind of distant. So I figured I'd start with small talk.
By doing errands?
Anything that puts me nearby.
Wow, that's weirdly strategic. The things you're doing are way beyond just errands. For a second, I thought you had a twin helping you out.
I only got there when I didn't have classes at school. It's just, she's hard to approach. Nobody even knows how she chooses new members.
So what now? Wait for her to magically invite you?
Kinda. She fixed a zipper for me last week and said goodbye to me.
Sounds like progress.
I thanked her, and she just nodded.
What a mysterious character. So your plan is, what? Linger in the background until she warms up?
Today, I'm delivering lunch for that shop anyway.
Wow, you're seriously dedicated.
No choice. If this doesn't work, at least I'm making pocket money.
Fair enough. Let me know if she knows you're in her club.
That'll be the day.
Five, giving feedback.
Hi, Ben.
Good morning, miss. Is there anything I can help you with?
I wanted to go over the client presentation from yesterday.
Sure. Was there something I should be aware of?
Overall, your work was good, especially the visual design.
Thank you. I spent quite a bit of time on that part.
It definitely showed. That said, I think your verbal delivery could be stronger.
I agree. I was pretty nervous, to be honest.
That's completely normal. Next time, maybe try rehearsing with a colleague beforehand.
That's a great idea. Thank you. I'll do that.
Number 6, complain about the weather. Mr. Lewis, those clouds don't look too promising.
I was just thinking the same, Miss Taylor. The forecast clearly said it would be sunny.
I checked twice this morning before we left. I even reminded the students to wear sunscreen.
And now, it looks like we might need umbrellas instead.
Let's just hope it doesn't stop raining during lunch.
The children were so excited about eating outdoors.
Yes, they've been talking about it all week. It's unfortunate when the weather changes like this.
Perhaps we should consider moving to the covered area, just in case.
That might be wise if it gets any darker. Number 7, in a hurry. Babe, we're seriously late.
I know, love. This traffic is insane.
We should have left earlier.
I said that, remember? But somebody needed 20 minutes just to choose earrings.
Excuse me? I wanted to look nice for my best friend's wedding.
And you do. Gorgeous as always.
Flattery won't get us there faster.
True, but it might calm you down.
Not when the ceremony starts in 15 minutes and we're still stuck at the red light.
We'll make it. I'll take the next exit. It's a shortcut.
Is this like your shortcut last month that led us to a dead end?
I admit I was wrong that time, but this time will be different.
Fine, but only this one time.
All right, watch me take the ultimate shortcut. A man's joining a sports club and getting information on its policies. What type of membership will he choose?
Let me start by explaining our club's different membership options.
Okay.
Regular members may utilize the gym and pool at any time of day.
Every day.
Yes, 7 days a week. But we only offer early morning memberships.
What time in the early morning?
Members can use the facilities from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. and at night from 6 p.m. to 11 p.m.
I got it.
Such a time so that members who come early in the morning can stop by and use the facilities before going to work. A woman is talking with a man who works for an outsourced printing company about a brochure for a new product. When is the deadline for the first design draft for the brochure?
We decided to launch a new product on the 15th.
15th of this month.
Yes, and we'd like to offer you the contract to make the brochure.
Yes, thanks.
We're very interested in assisting you with this project. So, could you please tell us a little bit about the timeline?
Of course.
We'd want to have the brochures printed by the end of September. So, could you please send us the first design draft by the middle of August?
Sure. I will send it to you in mid-August.
Then, we'd want to present you with 3 design possibilities, and you'll select one. Depending on your selection, we'll create the final design.
I got it. A woman is calling on the phone to reserve tickets for a play. Which 2 seats did she get?
Hello, can I help you with something?
I want to buy 2 tickets for King Lear at 8 p.m. Do you have a couple of seats?
You wait a moment. I'll check immediately.
Okay.
2 tickets for King Lear at 8 p.m. Did you order it too?
Book for me too.
What seat do you want to sit in?
Give me a seat in the middle.
Yes. Do you use anything else?
Give me popcorn and Coke, thanks.
Yes. Your bill's here. Please come here to receive the drinks.
Thank you. A man and a woman are talking about preparations for a presentation they'll be making tomorrow at their office. What will the woman check after the conversation ends?
Okay, we need to prepare for tomorrow's meeting.
What time does the meeting start?
The meeting will start at 9 a.m. So, could you double-check the meeting room today?
Yes, I checked the meeting room.
Great. Did you double-check that the projector is operating properly?
Oh, I'm going to test the project tomorrow morning.
No, we've got to get that checked today. We won't have time to deal with it in the morning if there is a problem.
I got it.
So, make sure to check that projector today. That's the most important thing.
Okay.
And have you printed the document Miss Tanaka sent?
Yes, I printed the document.
Very good.
A man and a woman are choosing a hotel. Which hotel are they going to choose?
We need to choose a hotel for our vacation next month.
Okay, let's find hotel on the internet.
Okay.
The Ocean Hotel is near the beach and costs $120 per night per person, including a buffet breakfast.
What about staying at the Pine Hotel?
It's $180 per night.
Too expensive. I don't want to waste too much on accommodation. How about the Sunrise Hotel?
It usually costs $140 per night, but they are now offering a special in which we can spend one night for $90.
That's great.
Oh, wait. It says the deal is for next week only. So I recommend Jimmy Hotel, $80 a night.
Okay, I'll book the hotel.
A man and a woman are talking about the layout of a meeting room. How are they going to arrange the tables?
Let's arrange the tables for tomorrow's meeting.
All right. Shall we place all of the tables in the center of the room so that everyone faces each other?
That would be a group session first. So let's separate the tables into 4 sections. Each group will have 4 members.
Okay, and I'll place some pens and paper on each table.
Thank you. And we'll have a brief presentation at the start of the session. So we'll need a projector.
Okay, and we're gonna use a whiteboard, aren't we?
Yes, right.
Is it okay if I put the whiteboard next to the screen?
Yes, do it. A man and a woman are talking about office supplies. What will the man order?
You must check our office supplies once a month and order any items that are running low at this time.
I got it.
List them out and check them one by one.
Yes, sir. Paper first. It seems there's only one box of A4 paper left.
We use lots of paper every day. So let's order 2 more boxes.
Okay, then the printer is out of color ink. Should we buy more?
We don't print documents in color, so we don't need to worry about that.
Okay. Looks like these whiteboard markers are running out of ink.
Yes, they need to be replaced, and we can save money if we buy them in sets of 5. So let's do it.
By the way, can we order a mouse?
Why?
Because sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. And it's probably because the batteries are going low.
Let's check the stock of batteries and order more if we don't have many left.
I got it.
Don't forget to practice your English every day to improve your English level. Watch the video for 1 week. Try to think and speak in English every time. Listen and repeat the lesson out loud to improve your listening and speaking skills fast. Thanks for watching. Please give us a like, share, and comment. Click here for more useful videos.